Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just wanted to do a quick video on how to take advantage of Assistive Touch. And the reason I wanted to tell you about this is because I recently made a transition from the iPhone 13 mini to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I really love that one-hand usability from the iPhone 13 mini. So I thought to myself, how can I duplicate that experience on the iPhone 13 Pro Max? And I figured a way to use Assistive Touch along with aligning the keyboard to the right of the iPhone. So pretty much what you need to do is go into your settings and do a search for Assistive Touch and make sure you turn it on. And once you turn it on, there's going to be a custom action section. And you want to ensure that for your double tap, you have it set to reachability. Now, you don't have to do this, but for me, I put the app switcher for my long press, and I didn't have any option for the single tap just because I wanted to make sure I didn't accidentally have an action that would become annoying, since it would be so easy to just tap the Assistive Touch button. If you're in, let's say you're in an application like YouTube and you need to search something, you can't reach it, but if you just double tap, then you can start typing whatever you want to search, which makes it easy to do. Other than that, as you can see here, with the keyboard, all the keys are adjusted to the right. So my thumb can reach any key on the iPhone keyboard at once. And this has become a much more enjoyable experience for me. Not as nice as the iPhone 13 mini, but I do get the benefits of having better battery life, a better camera, and an overall better screen with a high refresh rate that you don't have on the iPhone 13 mini. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful to you and ensuring that you can use your larger iPhone, such as the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, pretty much any of the larger iPhones. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or have any additional tips that can allow us to use our larger iPhones in a much more comfortable manner, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.